Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 14, Example 8. In this example, we want to solve the equation 7x plus 14 equals 7 times the quantity x plus 2 for x. The goal here is to get x by itself on one side and everything else on the other side using inverse operations. When we do the inverse operations, we want to make sure that we do the same thing to both sides in order to keep the two sides of the equation equal to each other. It looks like x is on both sides of this equation and it is not by itself. In step 1, we want to simplify each side if needed. It looks like we have a parenthesis we can clear out, so it'll make our problem a little nicer to work with. We can do this by applying the distributive property. The left side will remain 7x plus 14 equals, and on the right side we can multiply the 7 times the x plus 2 and get 7x plus 14. In step 2, we want to use the addition and subtraction properties of equality to move the variable term on one side and all other terms to the other side. Let's go ahead and move the 7x that is on the right side over so that we have our x term on the left side. What is the inverse of add? Subtract. So we need to subtract 7x from both sides. When we do this on the left side, we get 7x plus 14 minus 7x equals, and on the right side we get 7x plus 14 minus 7x. On the left side, the 7x's cancel, and we have 14 equals, and on the right side, the 7x's cancel, and we also get 14. Hey, the variable disappeared on us. This does not mean that the answer is 14. Whenever the variable drops out and you end up with a true statement, like 14 equals 14, then the solution is all real numbers. This means that any real number that we plug into the original equation will make the left side equal to the right side. So our final answer here is all real numbers, which means this equation is an identity.